Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can share your workspace of your Airtable. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the share icon. So as you can see, after clicking on the share icon here, we need to provide the email address if you want to send a link or if you want to invite someone or if you want to share the access of your workspace with someone, then simply you need to write the email address of that man. For example, I'm going to write the email address here. So let's write this. And after that, simply we have to, as you can see now, we need to choose that which type of access you want to provide that email editor, commenter, read only, or the creator. And after writing that, you just need to hit, as you can see, invite hello workspace, and then simply you need to hit the invite. And after clicking on the invite, the invitation will be sent. If you want to create a link, you can also do that. You have to click on the create link, and as you can see, create invite link. And after that, and you need to create a link. As you can see, the link will be created, and you can copy that link as well. So the link is here. You can copy the link, and now you can share this link as well. And in the share publicly, if you want to share this publicly, you can also do that, and that will be the read only. You have to click on that, and after that you will be able to share this. So now you have to copy the link, and now you can share this link. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can share your Airtable workspace. So see you guys in the next video.